Good morning, class. Now we are going to read a chapter from Class 6 Honeysuckle book, and the name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. This is an inspirational story of first India-born American astronaut whose name was Kalpana Chawla. She had inspired many Indians, especially the girls who could pursue their dreams, so that they can make their nation as well as their parents proud. Her achievement has opened doors of opportunities worldwide. Even her life has left an imprint on the minds of everyone, not only Indians but worldwide. Now let us know more about Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but became a US citizen after her marriage to an American flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. So, she is called an Indian American. She was born in India, in Karnal, Haryana, but she got married to a US citizen, to an American, whose name was Jean Pierre Harrison. After that, for that reason, she is called an Indian American. She graduated from Tagore School, Karnal, and after that she joined an engineering college. Then she went for a master degree to the US. After getting the degree, she earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. And after qualifying as a pilot, she applied to NASA for a space shuttle program. It was her success as a pilot that gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut. She was first hired as a research scientist. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut, among others. Thus, she became the first Indian American woman astronaut. Okay. Chawla's first space mission in the space was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. The crew includes a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. They performed different experiments for a price tag of about $56 million. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, and all for a price tag of about $56 million. Okay. When the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief in her hometown. But it became clear that Kalpana had died. So there was a shock in her hometown. All other crew members on the space shuttle, they had also died. A journalist wrote that Kalpana was a heroine. According to him, astronaut is a very able person. He has to know everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. That means an astronaut has encyclopedic knowledge. And her achievement is awe-inspiring. Kalpana Chawla said that a dream can be made a reality. For this, one must have the courage and work for it. So this is all about this story. Thank you.